Nigga, he yanked it out. He didn't retire. He literally yanked it out. Talk about retire. Even the man just want to say, talk about retire. He yanked it out.
What the fuck?
Let's see, bro. Let's see.
Gotta be like the other day, right?
We just gotta lock in.
No runs content that match.
John MF.
Nigga, what?
No
I
goals.
said it 4.
No goals.
No goals. No goals.
No
It's
goals.
the playmaker and tactician, nigga. Y'all need me.
No goals.
Playmaker and tactician, nigga.
No goals.
Playmaker.
Wait.
I boost.
Playmaker.
Where your
and
goals at,
tactician.
nigga?
Oh,
Where your
fuck.
goals at,
Oh,
nigga?
Oh, nice.
Perfect. Amazing ass save.
That nigga's sick of coming in clutch.
What the
No,
fuck?
nigga. No, nigga. Back-to-back saves, nigga. Stop that. That nigga fucking...
How?
Nigga sent him flying. Nigga sent him flying. Wow.
Wow.
And then this nigga...
Barbie.
This nigga has...
John motherfucking Bennett.
Who the fuck?
That was me. It was... Nigga, you
Oh
still
my
live?
God.
God damn.
Whoa, nigga. Oh, what the fuck? Alright then. How the hell you had that shit too?
Oh!
Oh, wait, what?
What?
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Sniper.
Wait,
Big
what?
sniper.
That's
Big
just...
sniper.
I don't know how, but I got the assist. You feel me?
Looks like we're gonna get a remake of 26 points. 5 points.
5 points. That's the move.
Oh,
He had to
shit.
go. He had to get better. 2 points, 5 points. Nigga had 26, bro. That shit's still crazy. You must have just touched the ball. That's it.
Now you know what's the funniest part is that you literally get points just from touching the ball.
Relax.
You must get 26 points.
Okay, that.
No way. No way.
You got it.
No way.
And recorded that shit.
Number 26 points.
No more, bro. 161, bro. What is that your thing? This is a fucking Mexican goal, bro. Nigga saying golazo.
Oh, stop playing, bro.
What the fuck? Both y'all niggas can't think.
Bro, get back. Oh no, that was not hard enough.
Why?
Bro.
That
was not hard enough, bro. That was not hard enough.
Somebody's supposed to get a. Somebody's supposed to get a follow up.
Marty Gones was doing. Oh my.
Somebody was supposed to
Mary
get a follow up, bro.
Huevos. Mary Cone.
Mama huevo.
Nigga, Marty, girl.
Miracles. Hit that shit.
Bro, Spanish niggas gonna be like, what the fuck is this nigga saying? He just saying some random bullshit.
In Spanish, nigga.
Ooh,
Fluent. Ooh.
Oh my.
Stop playing, nigga.
No way!
What?
No way! He literally yanked that. Oh. Alright,
Bring
good.
it back.
Bro,
Bring it
Turo
back.
hit it, and then nigga
You're
literally
lying
yanked
to me.
this shit
Yeah, he
out.
plunged it out. I
Look
got
at that
front
shit,
row
yo!
seat.
That's
Front row
crazy.
seat.
That's crazy, my nigga. What? Fucking thought. Alright,
Oh,
somebody.
no
That's
way.
nah, I'm getting
Russ,
stopped.
do something. Do something.
Ow!
Alright.
He
Big
didn't do
bones.
something.
He didn't, bro.
What the fuck can I do? Look,
Nothing.
look. It's like 10 years ahead of me. Ah, shit. Bloody. Oh god!
Missed.
I hit it! I hit it!
I hit it. I hit it.
it!
I hit it.
Alright, somebody hit it. Somebody hit it. Oh, good shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Buddy.
Wow. I saw you, bro.
God damn.
Set me up, set me up.
I got you. Ooh. I weave that nigga. That nigga missed.
That ain't no set. God, dude.
It don't matter, bro.
Set me
Stopped
up.
him.
Oh,
I stopped him
God,
from
yeah.
hitting it.
Said he's there.
It's right there. Never mind. Ooh, 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 ooh.
No fucking
He
way!
needs to retire his plunger.
Nigga, he yanked it
Retire
out. He didn't
He hit that
retire.
shit.
He literally yanked it
Retire
out.
that plunger.
Talk about retire. Even the man just want to say, talk about retire.
Retire.
He yanked it out.
Retire that plunger.
What the fuck?
Trash ass
See,
nigga.
that's how you use a plunger. That's how you use a plunger.
John Moore.
Look. He not doing shit but fucking up Turo.
I had the spice too. I was trying to get that
You're at
shit.
the bottom of the board.
And Mr. 197.
Fucking dick.
Bottom boy better pipe up.
What do you mean by that?
He's trash. So he's trash, dude. it don't count if we lose, so I don't know.
We got enough time to score.
We got enough time.
Alright, set me up, set me up. Oh my god. What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that? What was
you
that?
let them have the ball? Oh my fuck.
This tornado nigga's fucking me up.
He didn't have to use the plunger there. He missed.
Shut up, bitch. Oh my god.
You can't assess the situation.
You need to stop assessing dick.
Fuck. That's all you. That's all you.
He's ass! He's ass!
He blocked me.
No. No, stop this nigga.
It's a real
my God. I mean, we can't blame him, bro. This nigga's a tournament winner, bro. You know, he must have went on. He must have taken some sweats and shit.
This nigga broke his aim.
Broke his aim. Crazy.
Yo,
God
it's all good. We got a
damn.
minute. We got 1 minute.
God damn.
OT. It's where we shine.
We shine.
Oh
It's where we
shit.
shine. It's where we fucking.
Nah, they have some good defense. Ooh. About that.
Okay, shit. Nigga literally teleported me.
Turo?
Oh fuck.
O'Shane? Oh,
You look like O'Shane, nigga. You look like O'Shane, nigga.
nah. O'Shane looks like O'Shane.
What are you talking about?
I
bro?
freeze
That
it,
was
right?
not me. What? Why would he freeze it? Right
What do you mean,
there,
why
bro.
would he freeze it?
Like,
What do you
come
mean,
on
why
now.
would he freeze it? He has a magnet.
Like, come on. Like,
Nigga backed it up.
it's Dustin's fault. We know it is.
Backed it up,
Turo
backed it
knows.
up. I tried saving it though.
Oh, shit.
You see me zoom in. Oh my god. Oh my. What happened here? Let me see this replay, dog. Let me see this replay.
Huh?
He hikey just like.
He's
pushed it.
sleeping.
Oh my god.
I'm not making no noise.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh. What is wrong with this nigga? Oh god, oh my god. What is happening right now? Bro, what's going on?
What happened?
I don't know, bro.
That's what I'm saying, man. What are you talking about, man? He says making
I don't-
stuff up, man.
I don't know what's going on, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. Come on. Oh, he's stopped. He
Making
finally
stuff
stopped.
up, bro.
I don't know what's going on, bro. I don't know.
Making stuff up, bro.
I guess the
Like,
streak
come
is
on,
over, man.
like,
I guess the streak is over. The streak is over.
He can even start.
Oh,
Nigga
God,
has
shit.
an RB song, bro. What the fuck?
What
Maybe shit is that?
4K again.
What are you talking about, man?
Going to 4K one time.